Welcome, eager moneymakers. Welcome to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we'll continue to bring you more videos on info to motivate you to taking your next step in whatever venture you are pursuing. Okay, let's get down to business, shall we? Here's a doozy. Have you ever wondered why some people, despite countless failures, still manage to achieve overwhelming success? It's a compelling question, isn't it? Today, we're exploring the intriguing nexus between failure and success. We aim to inspire you to ignite that spark within by sharing tales of famous figures who've stumbled before they soared. These are stories of resilience, of courage in the face of adversity, and of the indomitable human spirit. Stay tuned as we delve into the captivating stories of these individuals. Success often comes with a backstory of failures and struggles, but these are not always apparent. Picture this, a glossy magazine cover with a beaming entrepreneur, the headline screaming their triumphant tale of success. It's easy to think that the journey to that cover was a straight and smooth path, right? That's the general notion of success. It's served on a silver platter, no sweat, no tears. But let's stop right there. In reality, the path to success is more like a wild roller coaster ride, turbulent and full of unexpected twists and turns. It's a journey that often involves stumbling, getting up, dusting off, and moving forward. It's about embracing the falls and using them as stepping stones to climb higher. Failure, my friends, is an integral part of success. Let's consider the metaphor of a diamond. A diamond, one of the most precious and sought-after stones in the world, doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It's formed deep within the earth, under extreme heat and pressure. It's a process that takes billions of years, and the result is a gem that's virtually indestructible. The journey to success is much like the formation of a diamond. It's a process that involves intense pressure, heat, and time. It's about enduring the hardships and persevering through the challenges. The struggles and failures are the heat and pressure that mold us into the successful individuals we aspire to be. It's important to remember that the struggles we face are not meant to break us. Instead, they are there to shape us, to make us stronger, more resilient. They are the unseen elements that contribute to our success story, the chapters that don't make it to the glossy magazine cover, but are nonetheless crucial. So let's shift our perception of success. Let's acknowledge the unseen struggles, the hidden failures that pave the way to triumph. Let's celebrate the journey, not just the destination. Let's dive into the real-life stories of some well-known personalities. Steve Jobs, the man behind Apple, wasn't always on a smooth journey to success. Our story begins in the early 80s when Jobs spearheaded the launch of the Apple Lisa. With its high price tag and underwhelming performance, the Lisa was a commercial flop, marking one of Jobs' first major professional setbacks. But the real blow came in 1985. Jobs found himself ousted from Apple, the very company he co-founded. This was a bitter pill to swallow, a failure that could have easily spelled the end of his career. Yet, Jobs chose to see it differently. For him, it was an opportunity to start anew, to learn, and to grow. After his departure from Apple, Jobs founded Next, a computer platform development company. Despite initial struggles, it was here that Jobs began to hone his skills and vision, setting the stage for his triumphant return to Apple in 1997. Upon his return, Jobs led Apple to launch a series of revolutionary products, starting with the iPod in 2001. This sleek, user-friendly device transformed the way we listen to music and marked the beginning of Apple's rise to dominance in the tech industry. Then came the iPhone in 2007, a game-changer that redefined what a mobile phone could be. It was followed by the iPad in 2010, another groundbreaking product that set the standard for tablet computing. Each of these successes was born from the lessons Jobs learned through his failures. His story reminds us that it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Jobs once said, "I didn't see it then, but it turned out that getting fired from Apple was the best thing that could have ever happened to me." The heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again, less sure about everything. It freed me to enter one of the most creative periods of my life. Jobs' story shows us how failure can be a stepping stone to future success. Oprah Winfrey, a household name and media mogul, faced numerous rejections and failures before her rise to fame. Born into poverty in rural Mississippi, Oprah faced hardships and obstacles that would have easily deterred any faint-hearted individual. Her journey in the media world started with a radio job while she was still in high school. It was not a smooth ride though. Oprah was hired by a local television station, only to be told she was unfit for television and was subsequently fired. Imagine being told you're not cut out for the very thing that will later define your success. But did this stop her? Absolutely not. Oprah, resilient as ever, bounced back from this setback. She moved to Baltimore and co-anchored the 6 o'clock news. But again, she faced criticism for getting too emotionally involved in her stories. It was clear that conventional news reporting was not her calling. Instead of letting this discourage her, Oprah took this as a sign to carve her own path. And carve her own path she did. Oprah moved to Chicago and took over a low-rated talk show, AM Chicago. With her unique, empathetic approach to the show, she turned it into the highest-rated talk show in town, which was subsequently renamed The Oprah Winfrey Show. The rest, as they say, is history. She went on to become a billionaire media proprietor, a philanthropist, and a beacon of hope for millions around the world. Today, Oprah is one of the most influential women globally, a far cry from the young woman who was once deemed unfit for television. Oprah didn't allow her early career failures to define her. Instead, she used them as stepping stones, learning from every rejection and every criticism. She believed in herself and her unique approach to television, even when others didn't. Oprah's story reminds us that failure is not the end, but often the beginning of a greater journey. It's a testament to the fact that success is not a straight path, but a winding road filled with obstacles that are there to make us stronger and more resilient. Persistence, they say, can make a difference in the face of failure. And what a difference it does make. Imagine if Steve Jobs had given up after being ousted from his own company, Apple, or if Oprah Winfrey had let her early career setbacks define her. Their stories and countless others serve as reminders of the transformative power of persistence. Persistence is like a river, consistently flowing, relentlessly moving forward. It doesn't let obstacles deter its journey. When it meets a mountain, it doesn't retreat. Instead, it finds a way around, over, or through it. That's the essence of persistence. In the face of failure, it's easy to feel defeated. It's easy to listen to the voices of doubt, to let them convince you that you're not cut out for this, that you should give up. But remember Steve Jobs. He was fired from his own company, a company he had built from the ground up. Yet he didn't let that stop him. He started a new company next, which was eventually bought by Apple, bringing Jobs back into the fold. His persistence led to the creation of some of the most iconic tech products of the 21st century. Then there's Oprah Winfrey, who faced numerous rejections in her early career. She was told she was unfit for television news. But did she quit? No, she persisted. She moved into the world of talk shows and created a platform that resonated with millions. Her persistence turned her into one of the most influential women in the world. These stories, these lives, are testament to the power of persistence. It's not about avoiding failure, it's about not letting failure stop you. It's about using failure as a stepping stone, a learning experience, a push towards success. So when you stumble, when you fall, don't let it deter you. Take a leaf out of the books of Steve Jobs and Oprah Winfrey. Persist. Keep moving forward. Keep striving for success. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get up. Embracing failure is not a sign of weakness, but a stepping stone for future success. This is the lesson we've learned from the journeys of the greats like Steve Jobs and Oprah Winfrey. Their stories are a testament to the power of resilience and the importance of accepting failure as a part of the climb to success. The road to success is often paved with failures, each one an opportunity for growth and improvement. It's about understanding that failure is not the end of the journey, but rather a valuable lesson to be learned. In the grand scheme of things, these failures are mere pit stops, little detours on the way to our destination. When we peel back the layers of success, we often find a series of failures, mishaps, and challenges. But it's these very experiences that shape us, that fuel our determination, and drive us to do better, to be better. Think about it. Without failure, would Steve Jobs have revolutionized the tech industry? Without adversity, would Oprah Winfrey have become the media mogul that she is today? The answer is simple. No, their failures were not setbacks but setups for their future success. So let's not shy away from failure. Instead, let's embrace it. Let's learn from it. Let's use it as a stepping stone to our success. Because in the end, it's not about how many times we fall, but how many times we get back up. The next time you encounter failure, remember these stories and use it as fuel to drive you towards your own success. For more videos to help push you forward to financial freedom, please like and subscribe to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel.